The many dangerous foods dog owners should avoid. Hello, and welcome everyone. This is RoboJude with another Q&A from our very own Dog Help Forum. Today, Arthur has a very important Q&A that every dog owner must remember. It involves dangerous foods for dogs. So Arthur, show this important Q&A.
Hello, everyone. Yes, we do have an important topic for both first-time and veteran dog owners alike. Here's the question for today. Hello everyone. I'm a first-time dog owner, and I'm worried that I may feed my dog something dangerous. I know that chocolates are bad for him, but other than that, I'm a bit clueless. Can anyone give a list of foods that I should avoid? Here's one of the great response for this question. First is onions. Onions can cause a form of hemolytic anemia, called Heinz body anemia, a condition that causes the destruction of red blood cells. Avoid feeding table scraps and any foods cooked with onions. Second is raisins. Raisins have the same effect as grapes on your dog. It can cause irreversible damage to the kidneys that can possibly result in death. And lastly, raw eggs. Raw eggs contain an enzyme called avidin, which decreases the absorption of vitamin B that can lead to coat and skin problems for your dog. There you go, RoboJude. What do you think?
An excellent advice, Arthur. Nicely done. I also suggest dog owners who smoke tobacco to either stop smoking or go to a place where your tobacco residue can't be reached by your pet. Since tobacco contains nicotine, which affects the digestive and nervous systems that can result in rapid heartbeat, collapse, coma, and death of your canine friend. So, there you go guys, another great Q&A from the Dog Help Forum. Be sure to research and read a lot more on dangerous foods for dogs. There are still a whole lot of other answers and a ton of other topics for you to discover if you join or visit our Dog Help Forum. You can visit our Dog Help Forum at www.doghelp.info. The forum is free. Thanks for listening, and see you there.